Even though I'm reading this letter to you, I want you to know it is directly from my heart. Dear Donald and Loretta, when first meeting you back in 2001, I knew that you were special people. You have been an inspiration to Regis and I, as well as so many other people. When you called us in 2006 and said you wanted to walk for the American Cancer Society in honor of Regis, we were very humbled and honored. As a friend, I am so grateful for your efforts to walk 3,000 miles throughout Ohio to raise money and awareness for the American Cancer Society. You not only walked the miles, but were always there for us with your prayers and words of comfort and love. Regis fought a long, hard battle for 3.5 years, but it is people like you that are trying to make a difference with your effort to help with the research to find a cure. You have touched so many lives with all of your charity walks. I know I've been blessed with a lot of things in life, but one of them is my friendship with you and Loretta. For many years to come, you will always be remembered by me and many others for your heartfelt love to help others who are less fortunate with good health. You do possess love, joy, and peace. Forever grateful. Love, Diana Shivers and family.